So here are Millie's sweet girls. They are 4 weeks old now. And pretty little things. They're starting to get playful with each other and
talkative.
Yeah, talkative. Mommy's been very devoted. Well, get her. Get her. You've got Nellie with the most color, and then Nia. Yeah, I just wanted to double check that I got that right. I did. And Nellie's a little, I don't know if she's smaller or not. They're both so small. They're tiny. Their mom's tiny. Oh, really? Hello, Nobi. Hello, Nobi. And these girls are actually available. I worked through my waiting list, and so many people rolled over to the fall list because of summer plans that I actually have 4 female puppies that aren't spoken for. So if you're in the market, you would want to get a hold of me right away and place a deposit for one of these girls. There's Neva and Nikila in a couple of other litters, and then these 2 girls in Millie's litter. Hot girls. Hot girls. Come on, girls. Come on, girls. It's kind of dark back there. Yeah, that's better. I'm out here where it's brighter. Yeah. Oh, are you talking to Nobi? Huh? Huh, Nellie? Are you talking to Nobi? Nellie on the left, Nia on the right. Look at them. Like they're having a face-off or something. How cute. All of Hannah's puppies leave tomorrow, so we'll be down to 4 puppies. So I'll probably put these 2 in with Nikita and Nuka so they can play together, the 4 of them. It'll be good for them. Nuka and Nikita really enjoyed playing together. Yeah, I hear ya. I hear ya. Nico. Or no, Naomi. I hear you, Naomi. I hear you. All right. So there you have Millie's beautiful puppies, 4 weeks old.